Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again with another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or if it's a website. Either or, links will be down below. Either my Amazon affiliate or their website, which are both safe to click. So check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. If you like this item right now, add it to your cart, check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go, guys. This is crunch time now. Holiday season is here. The new year is coming. Let's see what we got. Santa Claus will be here shortly. Down the chimneys, eating all the cookies. Alright, guys, let's see what this is. Alright, one more cut. There we go. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. There. Oh boy. What is this? Let me move this around. Right there. Globe is upside down. Oh, this is coming from RedKey. I do believe this would be an Amazon. So definitely check them out and go order one of these. There we go. And look at this. RedKey P8 Cordless Vacuum. RedKey. Looking good. Here we go. Now let's see what this thing looks like. Set it up, give it a test run, and then that's it. So it might be a short video. So I got a cut here. Oh man. There we go. Got the cutting done. Alright. We got the manual. P8. This must be the stick. Yep. Nice color. Platinum. Keep this on the ground for now. Come back to it in a minute. Once we get everything out. Filters. You get 2 of them. So that's a good thing. You get a little brush. Probably for a couch. Or maybe a car. Do some detailing. And we got the power. Little guy right there. Put that to the side. Then you get like a wall mount. Oops. Screw came out. You get 2 screws. And this bracket. There's a hole in the bag. Just be careful. I got it. Oh, it goes out again. Shoot. Alright. Put that to the side. Get the separators out. Uh-oh, we got something in this box. a little tiny. What is this thing? Oh, this is the display. That's separate. That's interesting. Alright. What else do we got? This guy's a little tiny dude. Alright. Oh, that's the main unit. I'll go at the bottom. I'll show you once I clean up this area. Oh, that's heavy. Alright, we got another stick extender. And we get super long. So that's cool. They made it mini, but you can extend it. Alright. Now let's get down to the business of this journey. Go back and clean it. How do I open this thing? What is going on here? Alright. Aha. Oh. Yep. This is like the tank. The main part you need. Here's the accessories that come with it. Nope. Separator. Empty. Empty. Okay. Okay, got that done. That done. Now let's take this part. Okay. Here's the front. That's where that part goes. You just push this open. See how it goes. Lift it out. Let's see. Oh, that's how you empty it. Okay. You don't need to lift this. So just pop it. Lock it. Now this is the mounting bracket. Put that over there. Extender. Or actually that's the like in between couches and whatnot. This will be better for car detailing. Also you could do it in the garage. It's not bad color at all. Here's a brush for couches. Or shades. Filters should be good with the one that has in it right now, I think. Yeah, looks good. Alright, let's see, how do we do this? This is a very interesting. This is the bottom. Okay, it goes here. Ah, okay. So that's the way. Okay, that makes sense because you drop it, shoots out there. Alright. Learn something new every day. Some of them are the same almost, but this one's a little different. I like it. And power cord, I think I got enough juice right now to run this video. Hopefully will be good. But you know, before use, give it a good charge. It all depends on how many rooms you have to clean. If it's a condo or apartment, you should be good to go after the first unboxing you do. RedKey, thank you guys for sending me this. Much appreciated. And like I said, YouTubers, click that link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Look at this. I like the colors. Got the lights right there. LEDs. A nice soft brush. Should be easy to pop out. Yeah, see, lock and unlock. Look at that though. Definitely cool. Where did the stick go? Here's one stick. Stick this in here. See? Extendo. And we'll rock and roll with this little guy because it does move around because of the flex hose. Oh. There we go. It's nice and locked in. Got the good wheels. Oh yeah. Let's put this thing on the ground. Alright, this is a really nice LED display. Touch here. Get a map. Kills the battery faster, but like I said, if you have this on a full charge, you can max it. You just see it spinning. But like I said, this area should be clean. Turn it off. Turn it on. I mean, I don't think the dogs would get mad about it. See, there's the light. Yeah, really nice. I know you got something going. There you go, you can see the little bit of dirt. Not too much, though. Like I said, I clean this room a lot, so I'm in here more than in the other room. But yeah, there's a fan right there. Super lightweight. This is where you mount it. So, that's where you plug it in. Definitely can't miss this one. Alright guys, check them out, RedKey. Sorry for the long video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. In case I don't see you guys again. Might take a break from a little bit. But you never know. It might be a slow time right now for unboxings with the holidays, and you know how that goes. But I'll be here or on Instagram. And who knows if TikTok will be here. Take it easy.